Peace fam, welcome back to the channel. I just thought I'd do a quick video to demonstrate that there's other ways we can use these plastic barrels. So if you have any leftover plastic barrels, you can not only use them as planters as you see here, but I have also used them as a source for rainwater collection. I secured a little bit of guttering and attached it to our backyard shed and made a little downspout adaptation here, and voila, rainwater collection barrel. And just show you what it looks like in the front. Turn on the tap because we've had quite a bit of rain recently and lots of water. So yeah, I pretty much use this water to water my plants, so it's a great way to recycle old plastic barrels and rainwater. So yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for watching and peace.